What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about all the things wrong with my truck. I feel like a lot of YouTubers, or I don't know, at least the ones I've seen, they don't talk about what's wrong with their car, their truck. So today I'm going to show y'all what's wrong with Basic. Just a little bit. And she don't got a lot wrong with it. At least I think. Might be a little expensive, but whatever. So let's get into it. So as y'all can see, they're rusty. So I'll be buying new fenders for it, so I could either wrap it or if I'm gonna paint it. I'm still not sure yet. And it needs brakes. They're grinding hard as fuck. So I'm gonna be replacing the brakes and the rotors because they grind real bad. And I gotta clean up these wheels because, bro, 1 week, look how dirty they are. All the brake dust. Second, it's pretty darkish, but my truck is a 4.6, and on these I had changed the intake manifold about a year ago. But I bought the Dorman one, and the Dorman one is plastic, and it has a little cap, little plastic cap right there that pops up with a lot of pressure. So I've gotten stranded on multiple times, and I finally found a cap that's been working fine. That blue one right there in the back. But still, I think I'm gonna buy the original one from Ford, even though it costs $500 to replace, when this one was like 200 or so. So I think in the summertime next year, because like I said before, I parked the truck for the winter, so I don't use it. So I'm gonna buy it, hold on to it, or wait until the next summer or early spring to get it back to its original state. That way we can at least do some burnouts, because on the original one, this is capped off because it's aluminum, so it's capped off, there's nothing there. And on this plastic one, it's open, so they provided their own cap, but that cap sucks. So I bought a new cap, put a little clamp on it, but still, and then because of that, it leaks antifreeze onto that back plug back there. So because of that, I have a check engine light. So roughs idle-ish sometimes. So every now and then, every, I don't know, 3 months, when I do my oil change, I go ahead and take out the coil pack and remove any antifreeze that's there. Make sure to get it as clean as possible, and remove the check engine light, and then 2 months in it comes back again, because I mean, yes, it's capped off with the clamp and stuff, but still, it's a little bit of antifreeze seeps through here and then, so whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get that OEM intake manifold, put it back to how it was, that way we don't have that issue with the check engine light anymore. Let's see what else. Obviously this side too, this fender's gonna be replaced. It has to be replaced. It has some rust. I am in Chicago, so I'm in the rust belt. Oh, also, I've noticed, I usually back it in my garage. Let's go on this side. So that leak right there has been ongoing. I believe I want to say it's the power steering line, because I recently replaced the transmission cooler lines, which was, I believe, yeah, this one up top and the one at the bottom, and it's not leaking from there. I already checked it, and when I did check where the puddle is and all that stuff, it kind of looks like it might be one of these other lines, which it has to be the power steering lines, which I believe it's gonna be that line there, the one towards the back. Can zoom in a little bit. You can see how it's a little dirty and stuff from the road grime and all the fluid that's been leaking. So I want to see the power steering lines. But I believe I did get that replaced a few years ago, but whatever. I'll have to check into that as well. What else? We do have a cracked windshield, so we're gonna have to replace that as well. It's gonna be, again, the summertime, early spring. Yeah, I can see I don't have a door panel because I've been having a problem with that door. When I lock it and unlock it, I can't open it from the outside, but once I open it from the inside, I'm able to open it like nothing. So I believe it might be the just the door mechanics things. I don't know what the hell to call it, but probably a new door latch or something. No, not a door latch, but you know, the little, all the things inside, whatever. You guys know what I mean. Yeah, laugh, whatever. And yeah, I mean, also you guys may have noticed that these actually don't line up. So this was a this truck was in a wreck a while ago before I bought it, and so some of these parts may not be aligned correctly. So I don't know if I should find a body guy to get it all squared up correctly. As you can see, this is all spaced out, and then you can see here it doesn't line up here either. Like I said, there's a gap right here in the bottom. So you can see paint is peeling. So might get a new paint job or wrap it. Even though I love this paint. I mean, you guys can't see it now, but it really shines in the sunlight, daylight. But yeah, I mean, this truck has been with me for about 5 years now. I don't know much about selling it. I've thought about it so many times just because of like all the problems and stuff. You know, you guys get to it sometimes that, oh fuck it, I'm gonna sell it because it's giving me so much problems. But I think I'll be with it for a little bit more, a little longer. I do have plans for it. I wanted to engine swap it, but that's a lot of money. I don't know about that. You know, maybe in the near future, because it's for a new Coyote motor and all its bells and whistles. I've seen it rack up to like 40,000, which I ain't got that type of money. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see. You know, this truck has been good to me recent years. Nothing major. I mean, yeah, it's left me twice, but thanks to the insurance, you know, you get roadside assistance and you're good, man. I am planning on dropping it. I have these 3-inch drop for the leaf springs in the back right here. I just haven't had the chance to get to it yet. Like I said, it's probably gonna be until the springtime. That way, so it can sit lower in the back. Sits a little bit higher. It should be leveled once I lower it down that 3 inches in the back. If not, then we're gonna go with something lower, or change up the tires. I do have other tires that I was gonna put onto it, but I don't know. I like the mud terrain. These mud terrain tires. The look of it, the stance makes it look nice and beefy. But yeah, I do want it to sit a little bit lower down to the ground. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys would change on it. What would you guys do differently? You know, what would you guys like to see on it? You know, what type of content you guys expect from me? What do you guys want to see? Whatever. You guys let me know. We'll do it. We'll at least attempt to do it. you know, I try to do my best on, well, I'm gonna start to try to do my best on recording videos and stuff like that, just to get this channel rolling. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Share this video though. Share it and subscribe, because we're gonna see if, man, I should have started this channel when I first started upgrading the y'all would have seen the difference. But I'll probably in another video I'll do like a photo montage of how it used to look and the process of getting it paint and all that stuff. So all the things I did, I have a bunch of pictures and small videos. But yeah, see y'all in the next one.